Elon Musk announces big upcoming changes on Twitter and says that he will completely transform the platform. According to Elon, Twitter eventually will become X, the everything app, and this X app looks very exciting. Furthermore, Musk's team identified one condition that Twitter should accept if they want to get his $44 billion. Moreover, reportedly, the Twitter board positively responded to this offer, but still the situation is complicated. So let's explain it. So, after agreeing to purchase Twitter, Elon Musk unveiled a new innovation called X, the everything app, according to his previous remarks. That service will be like WeChat, China's super app. Musk has openly praised the Tencent Holdings Limited app, which started as a messaging service and has evolved into a tiny internet used daily by more than 1 billion Chinese people. Elon said that he wants Twitter to become more like WeChat and TikTok, the video sharing service, owned by ByteDance Limited, that's benefited greatly in the US. And he's made comparisons to so-called super apps that are popular in some parts of Asia, allowing consumers to use a single smartphone app for a variety of services, such as communication and requesting a car. Moreover, Elon said that this purchase of Twitter will help him to accelerate his goals with this super app. Musk tweeted, "Buying Twitter is an accelerant to creating X, the everything app." Musk has mentioned improving Twitter before, but this is the first time he's proposed making a new super app that would include Twitter. He tweeted about plans for a social media service with that name, though the tweet was vague and didn't give many details. Musk's experience with the letter X predates the Tesla Model X release. Before PayPal, one of Musk's first big entrepreneurial successes was when his online bank, X.com, merged with another company in 2000. Though X.com only currently holds a single white X on a blank background, Musk created a holding company for Twitter once he agreed to the $44 billion acquisition in May. He appropriately named this new entity X Holdings. In a follow-up tweet Tuesday, Musk speeded up plans for an X app that was suggested by the acquisition of Twitter. Musk wrote, "Twitter probably accelerates X by 3 to 5 years, but I could be wrong." Even at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting in August, Musk stated that he had plans to greatly improve the platform. He likened his goals for Twitter to those he had for X, a financial services company which he co-founded in 1999. But there's one thing about WeChat that Elon will probably avoid. WeChat is subject to an intensive degree of monitoring and censorship. Armies of AI and human moderators keep it free of stuff the Communist Party considers inappropriate. That covers everything from explicit remarks to political opposition and criticism of the regime in China. So, Elon Musk now wants to fulfill his initial offer to buy Twitter at the agreed upon price. Tesla's CEO's legal team sent a letter to Twitter Monday, putting an end to the bruising fight over his alleged merger abandonment in July. The announcement, which was first reported by Bloomberg, caused Twitter's shares to surge before the Nasdaq halted trading for a few hours. Twitter stock closed the day up 22%. In a letter, Elon Musk's legal team made it clear that the offer is only valid if Twitter drops its lawsuit. A Twitter representative offered no hints about where the company would go in a statement. "We received the letter from the Musk parties, which they have filed with the SEC. The intention of the company is to close the transaction at $52.20 per share," they said. According to a person close to the talks, Twitter has made a decision to accept this offer as well, and the two sides are discussing how to drop the litigation and how to guarantee that the deal will be completed. Since Musk's interest in the firm first emerged in early April, he and Twitter have been at odds. From the beginning, Twitter's largest individual shareholder, to would-be board member, to unsolicited bidder, to unwilling buyer, Musk has gone from one extreme to the next in a few months. Twitter, which was never actually for sale, found itself in the difficult position of trying to make Musk buy it, even though they knew his ownership would cause more problems for its already struggling business. Even though the deal is not completely done, the social media group wants Musk to pay up and end any potential delays in court proceedings. "I wouldn't expect Twitter's lawyers to drop the lawsuit until they have got something that's credible, believable, and more dependable than the last deal we got," stated Eric Talley, Columbia Law School professor. The high-profile legal battle has been difficult for both sides. In less than 3 months, almost 700 entries have been submitted to the Delaware Chancery Court docket, and the parties have frequently sought to narrow interpretive squabbles over terms and date ranges for Slack searches by appealing to the court. Nonetheless, Andrew Jenkins, a professor at Brooklyn Law School, predicted that Twitter will likely insist on having an ironclad agreement to close, such as a stipulation judgment, a formal court order that requires one party to pay another. One important reason that Twitter claims changed Musk's decision is that Elon is convinced that Twitter bots are not higher than 11%. On September the 27th, Twitter's legal team said that Musk scientists estimated the percentage of fake accounts on the platform to be 5.3% and 11%. None of these analyses so far, as we can tell, remotely supported what Musk told Twitter and told the world, said Bradley Wilson, Twitter lawyer. The original contract was a very seller-friendly agreement that would be difficult to get out of, said Adam Badawi, a law professor at UC Berkeley. Musk realized, he said, that it was likely going to result in him having to close the sale at $54.20 per share. Moreover, there was a chance that the legal action set for a hearing on October the 17th would not only damage Twitter's brand reputation, but also harm Musk's standing in the market for erratic behaviour. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.